Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. This is the 8th video in the series that I'm doing, quick, simple Bible journaling. And today is going to be a pop of color, some stickers, and a statement. A sticker statement. And so what I'm going to do, you're going to see, is very simple. This verse right here, Psalm 25 verse 1. In you, Lord my God, I put my trust. It's so profound to me, and it's already journaled on, but I want to journal on it again. And as you can see, I don't have no space, so you can take a piece of paper, a piece of cardstock, and make it into a little card. You see right here, like this. This is a Project Life card that I'm using, and then fold it. And so what I'm going to do quickly, like I said, this is quick and simple. I'm going to show you the alphas that I'm going to, the stickers. These are some leftover stickers. You know how sometimes you have something on your desk. And this right here, this is a statement sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of purple. Right, let me get a... And this is what I want to think on throughout the day. Let me use this right here. Some color, a little bit of color. And I'm going to be quiet and do this so we can actually see the time that it takes, okay? I'll play a little bit of music. Okay, so I am done. One second, I want to put something here. Yes, there is 2, 3, because it was so empty up there. And now what I'm going to do is use, I have more of these paper clip thingies that I made. Let me pull one out. If I could find it right now. 1 second. We're looking at other. I put them in this bin underneath my desk here when I made these little things. Find it right now. If I can't, I'm not gonna go crazy over it because I may have to. What did I do when I put it? Hold on 1 second. I may have to do that a little bit. Okay. I can't want to do that thing right now. So hold on 1 second. It's 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. I might probably change it out later, but just so you can see a little tuck in, you see? Oh, I didn't even realize the colors kind of go. That wasn't intentional. And so what I'm going to do is I could put it just like this. Because I didn't put anything on the back, and just close it here. Or I could just close, close the whole thing and put the clip. I don't want to use that one. So that's it. So with that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.